Good morning, students. Do you remember what are the topics we have discussed in previous classes? Yes, we will discuss those topics in this class. So, our first unit is IOP cycle. IOP stands for input, process, output. Input, process, output. The what are the input devices? Keyboard and mouse. The process will happen in CPU and the output will display in the monitor. Okay, so here our first skill time is drawing an input device. A computer is a device that works on electricity. We all know that it's an electronic machine. It is a device, it works with the help of electricity. We use an input device to give commands to the computer. We give input device to give commands to the computer or give an instruction to the computer. For example, a keyboard is an input device. A keyboard is an input device. Other input device is mouse. So, here the computer understands only zeros and ones. We understand English or Tamil, but the computer understands only zeros and one. The commands that we enter using a keyboard are converted into zeros and ones. We will type the in alphabets or numbers, then it will convert the keyboard will convert the alphabets and numbers into zeros and one, and this process is called encoding. The converted commands are called computer codes. The converted commands are called computer codes. To read a code, we need to convert it. So it will display the output in the monitor. So before that, after completing the process, it will display the output will be zeros and one. We cannot able to understand. So it will decode it and it will display the output which we understand. Okay, so here the read code, we need to convert it. The process is called decoding. Here example is the sky is blue. We give the input and it will encode into and it will change into zeros or ones and it will decode and display the output as the sky is blue. So some of the examples of input devices are mouse, gaming pad, keyboard and then microphone. So here Morse code. What is Morse code? It is a method used for telecommunication to encode the characters of two different signals. What are the two different signals? Dots and dashes. Dots and dashes. It is a telecommunication to encode the characters of two different signals called dots and dashes. Okay. Here we have the Morse code as A to Z and 1 to 0. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and then last they give us 0. Okay. And what is TuxPaint? It is a graphics editor. It is especially made for small children. It was invented in 2002. The TuxPaint consists of drawing area, drawing tools, colors and shape. Okay, it is a graphics editor. It is made for small children. It was invented in 2002. It consists of drawing area, drawing tool, colors and then shape. Okay. The next one is drawing the CPU. The first one is drawing the input device. The next one is drawing the CPU. What are the input device? Keyboard and mouse. The abbreviation of CPU is Central Processing Unit. It is also known as processor or brain of the computer. It is also known as processor or brain of the computer. Just like our brain controls our body parts, the CPU controls the parts of the computer. Our brain controls our hand, mouth, nose, leg, etc. Like that, the computer controls the monitor. The CPU controls the monitor, keyboard, mouse. Okay. When the CPU receives the coded commands, what are the coded commands? Zeros and one. It starts processing on it or working on it. Okay. Then only it starts the process. So we all know that how to draw the CPU. The next one is the output device. After working on the command received, the CPU sends the codes to the output device. Okay, once the working was done in CPU, the CPU sends the code to the output device. The output device then converts the computer codes into a language. The computer codes means zeros and ones is it converts into a alphabetic or 0 1 2 3 4, which is understandable language. Okay, which is understandable to us, and display the output in the monitor. For example, monitor is an output device. Okay, it converts the computer commands into our language. Some of the examples of output devices are monitor, headphones, speakers, printer. Okay. So this is the step to draw the monitor. So here we have discussed about the categories of output and input. Monitor is an output device. Mouse is also an input device. Keyboard is a input device. Speaker is an output device. Webcam is a input device. Stylish pen is an input device. Here they have given some of the items. We need to categorize as input, output, and then process. Input, process, output. Here the first one is juicer. Juicer is a process. So what is the source input? Milk and mango. So we need to juicer to make the mango shake. The second one is bread. Bread is a input, and then the process was happened in the toaster and the output will get the toast. Next one is fridge. Fridge is a process. So what is the source? Input, water is the input, and it will process by using the fridge and we will get the output as ice. Okay. So what is the abbreviation of IOP? Input, process, output. What is the input device? Keyboard, mouse. The process will happen in CPU and the output will display in the monitor. Okay. So what are the coded commands? Zeros and ones are the coded commands. What is the abbreviation of CPU? Central Processing Unit. It is called as processor or the brain of the computer. Okay. Then what is encoding? The computer understands only zeros and ones. The commands that we enter using the keyboard are converted into zeros and ones. This process is called encoding. What is decoding? To read a code, we need to convert the coded commands is called decoding. And the next second unit is about G-compress, fun with puzzles. So first we need to know about what is G-compress. We are going to do the puzzles using G-compress. So here the software is this G-compress. It is an entertainment software. It helps the children to understand the relationship between numbers and to improve the communication skills. What are the communication skills? Spelling, reading, writing. Okay. And also for the arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So what is G-compress? It is entertainment software. It helps the children to understand the relationship between numbers and also to improve their communication skills such as spelling, reading and writing, and also for the arithmetic operations for addition, subtraction, multiplication and divisions. Okay. So here we will learn to draw the outline of the dotted picture and identify. Here already they have given the dots. We need to join the dots by each dot has a number, no? So by using these numbers we can join this. Here it is already joined. So you have an activity. This is the activity for you. After you have completed the dots, joining the dots, you have created a Christmas tree, and at last you need to color this. Okay. Have you all got it? Yes. Thank you.